Palovi, this whole Task Me Anything era is incredibly exciting. Imagine the right agents across every industry, taking away repetitive work so people can spend more time creating, solving problems, building relationships, and making decisions. So how do we speed this up? How do we get the right agents doing meaningful work at scale?
I think we absolutely should accelerate. But before we talk about how fast we can go, watch this.
A demo?
A story.
Help me finish this by morning. Who asked you to take that?
Okay. Nothing actually went rote.
Exactly.
They were doing exactly what they were asked to do. And suddenly he didn't even know how many were working.
So in the agentic world, how does an organization even know how many agents it has? And what each one is allowed to do?
Those are very good questions. Sleep on it.
Remember when you told me to sleep on it?
Yes?
Bad idea. I have 3 questions. First, if every team starts using agents, how do I know what agents exist and who owns them?
You need visibility across your agent workforce.
Second, if agents can access data, applications, and tools, how do I control what they're allowed to do?
You need identity, access, governance, and clear boundaries.
Mornud, and the one that really kept me awake. If agents start working with other agents and taking actions, how do I know what actually happened?
You need observability and security as autonomy grows.
So, how do we scale all this without slowing down the very innovation we want?
Now we're asking the right question. And that's exactly where Microsoft Agent 365 comes in. It gives organizations a control plane to help observe, govern, and secure agents as that agent workforce grows.
So this is how you scale the opportunity without losing sight of the control?
Exactly.
So we don't need to slow down the agentic era.
Not at all.
We need to be ready for it. Scale the autonomy?
Scale the control. If you're thinking about how your organization prepares for the Task Me Anything era,
This is one you should watch.